Alright, good morning, guys. Oh, just getting up, getting ready for work. Wow, this is something new. Alright. I'll talk to you guys. Wow. When I go eat, okay? Alright, so I just came downstairs to get my cereal ready, and I was just, working on my channel. So that's my new channel. And, yeah. Now, don't ask me why I'm eating out of a Tinkerbell bowl. I just really like eating out of a big bowl. My Frosted Flakes bowl is in the dishwasher. So, what cereal shall I eat? Cocoa Puffs. That will be the main cereal today. Oh, I forgot a spoon. I need my spoon. Alright. Need to leave in like a few minutes. Let us do the cereal. Noah! Everybody, that is my sister.
Oh, I thought you said you were
No, I'm vlogging. No, come here. Shh. So this is my little puppy. He's my little puppy. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Yep. Another day's work. Woo! She had to stand in a different spot today. Alright. It's not raining today. Or at least, barely. Alright. Maybe. Wow, dude, this skunk smell is ridiculous. Because I haven't opened a window in ages, which I'm going to need to do right now. Oh my god. Yeah, there's no way I need to open a window. Alright. See you at work. Alright, so I get to work, and I guess I spoke too soon about it not raining because it is pouring. Wow, what a great day. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get out of this car. Guys, I don't... I don't know how I'm gonna get inside. Alright, I'm not gonna bring my phone because this is not a good idea. So I'll talk to you guys inside. Carlos staring at me over there. Alright, so I got into work, and I'm all cold and damp because this weather is retarded. Why is it dark in here? Yeah, we need lights. There we go. Alright, we're all good to go, right? Alright, let me just take off my jacket. Yeah, guys, so this is crazy. It's been raining non-stop since my vlog yesterday. So, I'm guessing I have a bad thing with vlogs. But anyway, this is gonna be our little party today. We got one in here. And, yeah. So, keep you guys updated. Alright, so I just got out of work. Going to celebrate my dad's birthday today, so I'll probably have some clips from maybe dinner or whatever. Just hanging out. Oh, bye, guy! I thought I said bye to you already. Yeah, that was a guy. That was a manager. I don't know if you saw him, but yeah, alright, guys. Alright, what's going on, guys? I just got home and, yeah, I'm bored. There's nothing really to do. And, except clean my room, but I'll do that later. But I am actually editing a montage right now. It's a surprise montage. And, I don't think you guys will know till it actually comes out. And that is going to be on my editing channel. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll put my link in the description. And, yeah. But most of you are probably subbed to that channel anyway. But I'll definitely keep you up to date on that. And, yeah, so... Alright guys, so I just finished dinner with my dad and parents, but we couldn't go out because of the weather yet again. But I don't know, this weekend has been actually really boring because of the weather and my job, but at least I got to show you my job. But it's still like, it's so boring. There's nothing really to do outside or anything like that to show you guys. But I mean, yeah, but I've been working on the, working on a YouTube channel. So, please do subscribe. I'm gonna do these daily. You can already see I've been doing them. So, thank you for watching day 3, and, day 4 tomorrow.